Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to get free stock, photo stock. So if you want to start making videos and you don't know where to start from, I just want to show you some websites that can be helpful for you to be able to get stock or photos or videos that you can put together and start earning. So for example, if you wanted to make channels like meditation channels or get any kind of video and you don't know where to start from, that is always the good thing. And then number two, I'll be showing you where to get free music to start your channel. With that said, I just want to take you to the dashboard so that I can start showing you step by step on what you should do to be able to get free stock. So let's get started. I will take you straight away to I'll take you straight away to some of these websites. Yes, I will take I had not yet opened the window. Just a second, I may open it. So one of our first websites that we are going to use is called sorry about that. It's taking a little bit of time, but there's no problem. Still, I'll be showing you little by little. Yes, this is supposed to be the site where we should be seeing. Not you. Let's get window capture. And we shall select. Yes, so there we are. So now I'm going to be showing you in this beautiful tab of ours where you should be able to find free stock. Number one, let me show you here. As you can see, if we type here Pexel, this is one of the websites. You can be able to get as many stocks as possible. If you come to Pexel, as you can see, you can type in anything and you can choose if it's a video or an audio. For example, job interview, or you can put in, let's say, meditation. That's an example, and to bring you to these beautiful pictures, and you'll be able to select exactly what you want. For example, this person is putting for you 72 meditation videos. If you clicked on it, you will simply go ahead and find all the 72 meditation videos. And if you are interested in any of them, the answer is simple. You simply select. For example, if you'd watch it and see how it says, this, which one can we take? We can take this. My computer today is a little bit slow, but you can see this is a lady and she's meditating beside the waters. So if you like this kind of video, you will go ahead and download it for free, put it on your computer, go ahead and put together the clips and add on your voice or create a voiceover for it, and then you have the background and your video will be simply made. So that's website number one. Let's look at website number two. We have another website called Pixby. So that is Pixby. It has over 2.3 million stunning images. You go ahead and click on it. As you can see, you can type in any kind of video you want. For example, if it's videos, you go ahead and select within what field. Let me say dance. And if it's a dance, misspelled the word dance, but anyway, it is still brought for me. You can see all these are videos about dancing. So if you're making a video about dancing, you can just simply come here and get your dancers and you upload the audio, or make a full video out of it. These are children dancing. You go ahead and view. You can see children have come along and they are dancing. So you simply go ahead and attach what you want. For example, you can talk about food. You will get videos about food, and then you will choose what kind of food you are talking about. Is it cutting? Is it cooking? Is it frying? Is it raw food? Which kind of food? You go ahead and specify. Are you talking about birds? You go ahead. The best thing is that you have to preview. So once you preview the video, as you can see, you see if it's suitable for the subject or the niche that you want, and you go ahead and upload it to your video. So in simplicity, we have other sites like Shutterstock, who also give similar services. Only the only problem with them is that their services are paid for. They don't have free images. They are not free per se. For them you must pay, but for others they are royalty free. Some of them even you don't need to make any attribution, but with this you will have to make some payments with this website. This is Shutterstock. So you can get your free images and you get started with making money online without, if you are fearing to use a camera or if you are fearing to use your face, you can go ahead and get these free services and put them together, put videos together, and then you are free to start earning money. With that said, I just want to let you know in simplicity that that's how you can get videos to help you get started. Then another question is, where do I get voices? So we have a number of websites that equally give free music that you can add to this and make your videos beautiful. Let's see an example. We have like, yeah, you can come here to this website and you are able to find music that you want to add. For example, this is a music. So there you can find the music that you can use in your work. So it's important for you to find out if it's free or not free. So these are some of the sites. You can go ahead and look at their videos. They also have videos, as you can see. And you go ahead and download. So when you go to the download stream, you'll find that they have many of them that you can download from, and that helps you make your videos better. So with that said, you can put together some piece that is going to help you start earning money online and live a comfortable life. Yes, so with that said, I think that is the best that you can do. I am going to put resources in the description of this video so as you can always find it and you're able to use it effectively. Yeah, I wish you the best. Hope to see you when you start your YouTube channel or when you put together clips. You can give me a feedback in my description and you let me know how it has gone for you. I will be glad to see your comment and your feedback if this resource has been helpful. And you can always get back to me if you want more information. Click on the notification bell, like,